Present continuous.
or present progressive.
Present continuous is used when something is happening right now, or around this time. Kate is riding her bike now.
Is Kate riding her horse now?
No, she is not riding her horse. Mom is talking on the phone.
Is Dad talking on the phone?
No, he is not talking on the phone. Lily is reading a book.
Is Lily drawing a picture?
No, she is not drawing a picture. Emma is drawing a picture.
Is Emma taking a photo?
No, she is not taking a photo. Tim is building a treehouse.
He is working on it these days, not just right now. Is Tim building a garage now?
No, he is not building a garage. Mike is growing tomatoes in the garden.
The plants are not ready yet, but he is taking care of them these days. Is Mike growing potatoes in the garden?
No, Mike is not growing potatoes in the garden. Max is making a model airplane.
Is Max making a model helicopter?
No, he is not making a model helicopter. She is going to the zoo this week.
She's going to the zoo soon, and the ticket shows her plan. Is she going to the cinema this week?
No, she is not going to the cinema this week. Bob is playing in a hockey match today.
It's a plan for later today. Is Bob playing in a soccer match today?
No, Bob is not playing in a soccer match today. My family is traveling to Spain next week.
Is my family traveling to London next week?
My family is not traveling to London next week.
I am singing la la la. You are dancing cha cha cha. He is jumping up so high. She is waving, say goodbye. Am I dreaming? Yes or no? Are you laughing? Let me know. Is he running? Look and see. Is she climbing up a tree? We are playing in the sun. They are having lots of fun. It is raining, grab a coat. Look, the duck is in the boat. Am I sleeping? No, no, no. Are you eating? Tell me so. Is he swimming in the pool? Is she learning things at school? If it's happening now, saying present continuous, let's all say